I am Technical Sergeant Christopher Parker. I'm an Assistant Chief of Operations here at RAF Lakenheath Fire Department. So throughout the year, we have an annual training plan for us to fulfill all of our training needs. These range from anywhere from structural, medical, aircraft, in-flight emergency prep, hazmat, technical rescue. We have a long laundry list of things that we train for day in, day out. In the event of emergency here on base, the time restriction that we have to get to you is roughly 7 minutes. So by the time someone calls us to initiate the emergency, dispatch will take that call and then has 1 minute to tone it out. For that next minute, after the dispatch has toned it out, the emergency responders have 1 minute to bunk out, get in the truck, and make their way to you. So that leaves us 5 minutes to get anywhere on base to that location. So overall, we have 7 minutes to get on scene to where you called and start helping with your emergency. And how we do that is through training day in and day out, through all these variations, right? So like I said earlier with our training plan, we implement training every single day because with all these facets that we have to know, it's a kind of a jack of all trades. We do training all throughout the year to make sure that we are tip-top on all of our skills. Throughout the year, we get an average about 450 to 500 calls a year through the wide variety of responses that we can go to, like structural, medical, in-flight emergencies, vehicle incidents, technical rescue, hazmat, so that wide variety, 450 to 500 calls. So a couple calls a day on average, pretty steady pace base. We have a huge area to cover between RAF Lakenheath and Feltwell to include base housing as well. So we have all the personnel that live in the housing units and the day-to-day people that work here.
I would say military firefighters have been a Swiss Army knife airman as far as I can remember. We definitely have taken on the role of a multiple capable airman seriously. We are now looking at our wartime standard tasks, which now require us to possibly launch aircraft, recover aircraft, marshal aircraft, operate a aircraft arresting system, so a barrier cable, pallet building if we're in an area where we might need to ship some stuff out. We don't have those subject matter experts readily available. Hazardous deck identification. So we're embracing it all. We're taking on the challenge as far as the ACE concepts, multiple capable airman concepts. We're getting our hands into everything. We are extremely blessed to be where we're at. We're postured in this region of the world for a reason. And every day we're 24/7, 365, we're always manned, we're always ready to respond. And whether that's here or if we get tasked to go into further into Europe, our firefighters here are prepared for any challenge that comes.